How to install apps on Amazon Fire TV Stick. Please watch full video for permanent solution. The Fire Stick is a custom media streaming device for Amazon users. It's great for binging on movies and TV shows, playing video games, or just listening to music. The built-in App Store offers an impressive selection of popular streaming services such as Netflix and Hulu. If a certain app isn't included in the library, don't worry. There's still a way to add it to your device. In this video, we'll show you how to install apps on Fire Stick via the Amazon website or sideloading. How to install apps on Fire Stick. There are several different ways you can add content to your device. Here's how to install apps on Fire Stick. By using the Amazon App Store. By using the search function and voice control. By using Amazon's official website. By sideloading apps. How to browse and download new apps on your Fire TV Stick. Remember to check whether your internet connection is secured before starting. Go to your home screen. Click on the Up button on the directional pad to access the top menu. Click the Right button until you get to Apps. To open the Apps tab, press the Down button. A list of apps and featured games will appear. Select the app by pressing the central button on the directional pad. Click Get to install. Most apps on the Fire Stick are free. However, if that's not the case, click on the small shopping cart icon to purchase it. How to use the search function to find and download apps on a Fire TV Stick. Open your home screen. In the top left corner, you'll see a small magnifying glass. Click on the icon to open Search function. A keyboard will appear. Using your remote, type in the name of the app that you want to download. Select the app by clicking on the central button on the directional pad. Click on Get to complete the installation. If this is your second time downloading the app, the button will instead read Download. To start the app, click Open. There's another way to initiate the search function. Recently, Amazon added a voice control feature on its streaming devices. You can now use your Alexa voice remote to control your Fire TV Stick. Here's how to download apps on the Fire Stick through voice commands. Take your Alexa voice remote and click on the voice button. Say the name of the app. When the app appears on screen, use the voice command to get. How to download apps to a Fire TV Stick using the Amazon website. Open your browser and go to amazon.com/appstore. On the left-hand side of the screen, there's a sidebar with a list of devices. Find your Fire TV Stick's model and click on the small box next to it. The apps are divided into categories on the left-hand sidebar. Scroll until you find what you want and click on it. Click on the box under Deliver to open a drop-down menu. Find your device on the list and click on Get App to download. How to enable third-party apps in settings on Fire Stick. Open your Fire TV home screen. In the right-hand corner, you'll see the Settings tab. Click to open. Go to Device Developer option. A small window will appear. Select the Apps from Unknown Sources option with your remote. Click to turn on. As of now, Amazon devices only support Android apps. The good news is that if you have them on your phone, you can transfer them to your Fire TV device. Here's how to do it. First, make sure both your phone and Fire TV Stick are connected to the same network. Find the app on your Android and open it. In the upper right corner of the screen, tap on the three dots. Click on Select, and then Network. This will scan all devices that share your network. Look at the device name and IP address to locate your Fire Stick. Click on it. The top bar has a section called Local Apps. Open it and find whatever you wish to install. Click on the app and confirm to install. You can also sideload apps by using the Downloader app by AFTV News. Firstly, you have to install the app on your Fire TV device. You can use the Alexa voice remote or do it manually through the search function. After that, you can open the app to start downloading. There are two ways to install third-party apps with Downloader. Here's how to do it through a direct URL. Go to Home on the left-hand sidebar. Click on the very first option, enter URL. Open the keyboard by pressing Select on your Fire Stick remote control. Type in the URL of the file you want to import. You have to save the file before doing this. Downloading from a website requires different steps. Press Go to start the download. Once it's finished, install the APK Android Application Package file by pressing Install. Downloader will notify you once the app is fully installed. If you want to open it immediately, click Open. If not, click Done. You can delete the APK file afterward. Downloader also has a built-in browser that allows you to download files directly from the internet. Here's how to do it. Open Downloader and choose Browser from the left sidebar. Type in the address and click Go. Select Full Screen Mode from the hamburger menu. Scroll the page with your remote and find the download link. Once the file is downloaded, click Install. A notification will appear when the app is installed. Click Done to finish or Open to use it right away.